Hey, my Teeter friends, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips. And if you've been following my channel, you know I love Teeter. I love their inversion table. Amazing inversion table, really been a huge benefit to my back. Well, I was really excited when I finally had the opportunity to get the Teeter Freestep and teamed up with Teeter to put it to the test, to share with you my experience, and so glad that I have had that opportunity. I'm going to share with you about my experience. So if you're thinking about getting it, what is it like? And I'm going to give you my real feel. I'll share with you the highlights. This is an amazing workout. It's a recumbent cross trainer. This is the LT1 model. There is another model. I will put a link where you get more information. And I think that this model will work for most people. What I love about this now, especially during this challenging time that we're in, the gyms are closed, but I can do my cardio workout right here at home. It's fantastic. I've got a little table there that I drag over with my fan, blow it on me, keep me cool as I work out. And one of the things for me where I wanted to really see how I experienced was with my back, while at the same time getting a real good cardio workout. What's really interesting about this product is that it is so quiet. It uses this resistance technology, so there's no parts that are touching, and I mean, it really does a fantastic job. So as far as putting this together, it only took me a minute to put together. Yeah, right. I wish it did only take me a minute to put together. It took me about 2 hours, but keep in mind, I did stop along the way, and at least this will give you an idea what to expect. They did a really good job labeling the screws and everything that you need to do. If you follow the directions, you'll be good to go. There was one part in the carton I couldn't find. A lot of where actually the screws were in some other parts, but it was hidden and it's all there. So good to go. So as far as this workout, and then I'll dive in and I'll demonstrate it to you, I feel after using it now for within a couple of weeks, that for most people that they are going to find that they can go up to the maximum resistance, which it has a total of 13 different levels of resistance that you are going to really feel it. And when you really get going, I really feel it in my legs. For people that are really fit, I think that this product, they might find that the resistance is not there. But what I've found, and even when I was at level 13, I was pushing myself even harder. Got my heart rate up to 161.
Come on, baby. Make it burn, make it burn. Come on. 151, 145. Come on, get it up. 160, let's go. 161. Let's go, Teeter. Woo.
If you're finding that, when using this and you're going up to the level 13, that as long as you're really pushing yourself, you're really going to get a great workout. So they've really done a nice job with the design of it, and it's just really well made. So you've got a place here for your bottle holder. You could put up on here your phone. So they've got a little section right here. You can put your phone up there, which is great. You can even put like a tablet, which is fantastic. And then back here, there's like a handle here where you can put your towel. I will demonstrate it as well, where you can pick it up and move it with the wheels, so they make it nice and easy. So as far as adjustments, you can adjust it with the arms here. There are different numbers that are listed, and basically with the knob, you can raise and adjust the height. So there goes that handle, but I usually use the highest level. I'm about 6 feet, by the way. So let me actually sit in it now. My seat can actually go higher than this, but this is a good height, and it's got a really nice motion. What I like about this workout is you're working your legs and you're working your upper body. You're working your chest, your back, your tris, your biceps. I mean, you're really working a full workout. Now, first of all, as far as the seat, very, very comfortable seat. It's very well cushioned, both on the buttocks as well as for your back. So they've got these little hot points right here, and that they pad that well. And again, the seat, I never felt like my tush was bothering me. Now, one of the nice things as well for this back seat is that you can push, there's a knob back here, you can push it in, and then you could have your seat go back if you want. I've always just had it sitting up like that. The foot pedals, they are plastic, which I have not felt like my feet are slipping. Perhaps you can get some tape if you need to, some anti-slip tape, but I have not had any issues at all. Now, what I like about this is that, again, you get to work all body parts. The grips here, this is like a foam material, and then right here, these knobs here can turn. So what I found, especially when doing my biceps, I'll show you that in a minute, that makes it easy to use. I do have cycling gloves, so if you have any cycling gloves, you might find that you're going to want to use those. So again, you can adjust the resistance, and as you go from 1 to 13, if you go to 13, you're really feeling it. When I get going, I really feel burning in my legs. Oh boy, do I. So you'll get used to the height adjustment that you like. So first you can have the handles in this direction, and what you're really working is you're working that upper body. You're working your chest, your back, and then of course you're also working your legs. Now, here's what's really cool to mix it up, where you could do your tris and bis. You could turn the knob, and then you could just turn it around this way, and then you just lock that in place. And then you lock this one in place. And now, this way, you're now working, you'll really feel your triceps. Wow, do you feel them burning? And this is really cool. I actually like this way. Now you can also turn your hands, so you go from this way to grip underneath, and this is where, as the handle here is turning, you can start working your biceps. And again, now you can do all your body parts, so you can do it like in segments. So you can do like 10 minutes working your chest and back, and then you could switch it up, and then you could do like 10 minutes your tris, and then another 10 minutes your biceps, and mix it up. And then what I'll do is I'll come back, put it back into the other mode, and then you're good to go. Now, again, this is machine. It's so quiet. It's so nice. It's amazing. And as I was getting to learn more about the machine, I believe you get like it's over 2 million. They've done a testing over 2 million rotations on this product, so it's fantastic. I'm going to show you the timer. You get different readouts on here as well. And before I do, wanted just to show you how you can move it. So there are wheels in the back, and basically what you would do, you would just pick up from here. This is also foam, and then you just can roll it just like that. And then you can come back and then put it back in place. So very easy to move around, which is really fantastic. Again, everything is fully customizable to how it fits. What I want to do now is show you right here in the timer. Before we do that, right back here is where the batteries are, and they use 2 AAA batteries there. And you can get rechargeable batteries, or I haven't tested it long enough to see how long the batteries will last, but there you go. And then you could reset the timer as well. But again, this is solid, an amazing workout. Okay, so let's go ahead now, and I'll zoom in, and I'll show you the timer here. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through the display. You got the timer, you've got the speed, you got the distance and the calories. So as we go, it is going to automatically change and show you the different levels of where you are. So as you go, you'll be able to see the distance, and again, you'll be able to see the time as well. So it would really keep you in check as you are doing a great workout. So there you go. Now, once you're done and you want to clear everything out, you just press and hold the blue button and it clears everything out. And that's as simple as that. As far as the resistance, so you've got the knob back here. It's got a nice knob, and it just clicks as you change to the resistance that you want. And then if you want to really make it challenging for you, you can go up to 13. And then if you want to make it easier, then you can go down to 1. Very smooth operation of changing the gears. As far as adjusting the seat, all you need to do is turn the knob, you pull out, and then the seat, you can raise it and lower it very easily. It's a little bit of a workout to adjust it, but then you lock it in play, and then you tighten that knob, and you're all set. And now the seat is locked in the level that would work best for you. So there you go. That is my highlights of the Teeter Freestep. I absolutely love it. It's a great workout. If you push yourself, you're going to even get a better workout. And it is fantastic that I can do it here at home. It's well made. Again, you're going to get a full body workout, both your upper and lower at the same time. And you should get that heart rate up. You'll feel good and get energized. So Teeter, great work. Let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to click on the link where you could learn more about the product and see what other people have to say about it. But I love it, and I definitely would recommend it. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.